Here are some highlights of the December issue of Municipal Sewer and Water magazine. Brought to you by Koul Tools, featured in the product spotlight on page 34. Every sewer crew knows the grind of forcing big hoses together in the cold, fighting stiff fittings while the clock ticks away. So when Koul Tools rolled out the Easy-On Hose Press 223, people paid attention. This portable impact-driven rig takes the brute force out of 2 to 3 inch hose assembly, making life easier on the street. Get the details at koultools.com. Most towns would fold under the weight of this much new development, but Princeton's Public Works team didn't blink. They tightened their routes, upgraded their tools, and leaned into the kind of daily field checks that catch problems before they become emergencies. The result? A crew proving that even in the fastest-growing city in America, the sewer system doesn't have to fall behind. Ask any utility crew in the Southeast about EWSG, and you'll hear the same thing. When it hits the fan, they show up with solutions. From deep-cut sewer failures to stormwater sinkholes, they bring the CCTV, the trucks, and the trenchless tools that keep a city's system moving. You don't protect a place like Puget Sound with boardroom talk. You do it with boots in the mud, hoses in the line, and operators who take pride in leaving the water cleaner than they found it. Here's how Lake Haven's crews have been fighting eye, aging infrastructure, and monster winter storms without losing a step. High-pressure hoses, hydrovacs, and spinning pumps don't mix with human error. One missed lockout, one uncontrolled valve, and the consequences can be catastrophic. From trunk mains to small-diameter service lines, water can disappear faster than anyone notices. Municipal crews are pairing field know-how with flow meters and pressure sensors to catch every drop. From catch basins to slide gates, these city teams rely on tools and tech that let them respond fast, stay safe, and keep water flowing where it belongs. City streets can turn into rivers in minutes, and the crews keeping stormwater moving don't get a warning. With smarter sensors, automated screens, and real-time data, they're tackling floods before they happen, and learning that every drop of information counts. All this and more is in the latest issue, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.